playing with numbers. So in this chapter I'll explain you complete information about this chapter, especially for class 8th ICSE students. So before going this chapter, let me show you one website here. You can see in link in description below also. So in this site you'll find out all the subjects informations. At the same time, chapter wise question bank and test papers. So all the model papers are available for free of cost. So you can directly download and you can go through for CBSE, ICSE, even ISC students also. So sir, in case if you did not do subscribe, please subscribe this, because we'll upload the videos only which are related to the education, especially for children. So let us start the topic now. Playing with numbers. So numbers in generalized form. So how we can write number in generalized? So in generalized form, how we can write the number? So a number is said to be in generalized form if it is expressed as the sum of the products of its digits with their respective place values. So you have studied already regarding place value. For example, I'm taking 196. So here 6 is the units place and 9 is tens place and 1 is hundreds place, right? Now a number is in generalized form. That is, we can write as a sum of the product of its digits with their respective place values. So that means actually 1, 9 and 6. So 6 is a units place, so into 1. 9 is in tens place, into 10. 1 is in hundreds place, so 1 into 100. This all if you add again should get 196. So that is we can write in generalized form. So 2 digits, 3 digits, any number of digits we can take the same. For example 89. So I can write 8 is in tens place, so 8 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So 9 into 1 is 9 only. So we can write 8 into 10 plus 9, because 9 ones are 9. This is nothing but generalized form. Now how to write 2 digits, 3 digits? Similarly, now this is a 196 is 3 digit number, 89 is 2 digit number. Any number of digits also we can make as according to the place value. Place value only we need to take. 9864, 8002, 960. Now these are the numbers I'm writing in generalized form now. So this is nothing but 9 is in the place ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. So 9 into thousand plus 8 is in the place value of hundreds. So 8 into 100 and plus 6 into 10, then plus 4. So 4 into 1 is 4 only. Similarly 8002. So 8 is in thousands place plus, now these both are zeros. So 0 into 100 is 0 and 0 into 10 also 0 only. So directly we can take next to 2 into 1. Okay, 960. 9 is hundreds place plus 6 into 10. So 6 is in tens place plus 0 into 1. So that is 0 itself. So if any zeros are there, you can neglect that place value, because if a number is multiplied by 0, we'll get again 0. Okay, now if we'll get, now this is number if you take numbers. Now apart from numbers, if they are given variables, for example units place is x and tens place, the value of tens place is y. So the number, so particular number we can write, we should not write xy. Okay, if you write xy or yx, that is wrong, because xy is nothing but x into y. So units place is x into 1 and y is in tens place, so 10 into y. So if you simplify, 10y plus x is the particular number with these given values. Clear, right? Units place x, tens place is y. So 10y plus x is the number, the value of number. In the place of x and y, you can take any number, any digits you take, will get the number is same according to the given digits. For example, take 3 letters. Let A, B, C are respectively units, tens, hundreds place. Tens and hundreds place. So we can write hundreds place value is C. So 100 into C, that is 100C plus tens place is B. So 10B and units place is A. So 100C plus 10B plus A is nothing but the particular number. Now this is the way we can write the any given values. So every digit is from only 0 to 9. 0 to 9 only we can take the digits. Fine, let me explain some questions which are related to the number, playing with numbers, how it will come. Okay, I'll write question here. In 2-digit number, in 2-digit number, the units digit is 3 times the tens digit, and the sum of is 12. So find the numbers. Find the number. So particular number we need to find out by following this rule. So observe here, 2-digit number. So that is only tens and units. So unit digit is 3 times the tens digit. So we need to take some variables. So I'm taking, let the tens digit is x. Let's tens digit be x and units digit, I'm taking some y. So as explained previous, we can write the number. So the number is equals to tens digit is x. So 10x plus y. Right? So this is the number now. But condition, unit digit is 3 times the tens. Units digit is 3 times the tens digit. So units digit is y. So from condition, units digit is 3 times. So 3 into tens digit. That is x. This is one equation. And sum is nothing but addition. So sum of digits is 12. So sum of the digits is x and y, both digits, tens and units. The sum is 12. So these two, if we solve, we'll get x and y values separately. Okay, just substitution method I'm doing. Now y is equal to 3x. So in the place of y, I'm substituting this 3x. X plus, so y is equal to 3x. So 3x it is equals to 12. This is from equation 1. So 1 comma 2, x plus 3x is 4x is equals to 12. So x is equals to 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So units tens digit is 3 now. So 3 value, x is equal to 3. But your question is y is equal to 3x. But y is equal to 3x. So y is equals to 3 into x value 3. So y is equals to 9. Clear? So units place is 9 and tens place is 3. So that number we need, right? So as we discussed, number is 10x plus y. So number is equals to 10 into x plus y. Okay, 10x. X is 3 and y is 9. So 10 into 3 is 30 and this is 9. So 39 is the required number. Hence required number is, so 10 into 3 plus 9, that is 39. Right. One more question. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 11. Just 2-3 questions I'll explain you first. The sum of digits of a two-digit number is 11. The number obtained on interchanging its digits is 27 more than the original number. So original number. Then find the original number. So original number value we need to find out now. So I'll enlarge. So condition, you see, sum of the digits of two-digit number is 11. So this is one sentence. So if I take x and y are tens and units place, so x plus y is 11. The number obtained on interchanging its digit is 27 more than the original number. So interchanging word came. That means tens place becomes units place and units place becomes tens place. So first condition. So solution for this. Sum of the digits is 11. So I am taking, let tens is x and y, units digit is y. Tens place x and units place is y. So according to first condition, x plus y is equal to 11. Fine. Now the number obtained on interchanging. Obtained on interchanging. Generally number is equals to 10 into tens place and plus 1 into units place. So that is 10x plus y. So this is the number. Interchanging number is, so if I'll do interchanging this number, just places will be changed. So tens place becomes units and units place becomes tens. So that is 10y plus x. Right? For example, if the number is 64, this if I interchange, it becomes 46. So like this. Now interchanging number is 10y plus x. So according to the second line condition, the number obtained on interchanging its digit is 27 more than the original. So I can write from the statement, number obtained on interchanging. So this is from second condition. Number obtained on interchanging. So that is 10y plus x. Now this is 27 more. So this is equals to 27 more means plus 27. 27 more than its original number. So original number is 10x plus y. Okay, this is the condition. Clear? This is interchanging number. This is original number. So interchanging number is 27 more. 27 more than this original number. Original number is 10x plus y. Just we need to solve this second equation for this. Take all the x terms one side. 10y plus x. If interchange this side, minus 10x minus y is equal to 27. Okay, x minus 10x is minus 9x and plus 9y, because 10y minus y is plus 9y is equal to 27. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 11. Now if you take 9 common, let be minus 9 common, then x minus y is equal to 27. So you can cancel 9 ones are 9 threes. So minus, if you shift this right side, then that is x minus y is equal to minus 3, because minus of x minus y is equal to 3, so x minus y is equal to minus 3. Now this is second. Okay, first equation is x plus y is equal to 11. Now these two equations, now x plus y is 11 and x minus y is minus 3. So two together you can write and do elimination method. Now first equation is x plus y is equal to 11. Second equation is x minus y is equal to minus 3. So by doing addition we can cancel. 2x is equals to 8. So x is equals to 4. X plus y is 11. So if x is equal to 4, then you will get the value of y also. Y is equal to 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 is 7. So that number is, they are asking original number. So original number is 10x plus y. So hence required number. So required number is 10x plus y. That is 10 into x is 4 plus 7. So 40 plus 7, that is 47. Fine. So this is the answer. 47 is required number according to the question. So we should make the condition clearly, then we need to try to solve the problem. So I'll give you one more question. Okay, we'll do one problem, we'll solve from the 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, the hundreds digit is 4 times the tens digit, while the units digit is units digit is thrice the tens digit. Also the sum of its digits is 16. So find the number. So two conditions, total three conditions. There is a three-digit number. Hundreds digit is four times the tens digit, and units digit is thrice the tens digit. Okay, these two conditions are depending on tens digit only. So if you observe, hundreds digit is four times the tens digit. So it's depending on tens digit. While units digit is also three times the tens digit, even though depending on tens digit. So let us take the tens digit is x. Let tens digit be x. So I'm taking tens digit is x. Then according to the given conditions, we can write hundreds digit as well as units digit. Then hundreds digit is 4 times the tens. So 4 times, that is 4 into x, because all tens is x. So 4x. And units digit. So units digit is thrice. Thrice means 3 times. So that is equal to 3x. Okay, simple sum. Now final condition is sum of its digits is 16. So sum of the digits is 16. So we need to add all to make it as 16. Therefore un x plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 16. Now this is 5 plus 3, 8x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 by 8. So x is equals to 2. Now 2 we got, but 2 is the tens place. Right? Now the conditions. Therefore tens digit is equals to 2. Then hundreds digit is equals to 4x. So 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. And units digit is equals to 3x. That is 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So we know tens place, hundreds place, units place. Then the number is, therefore the required number is equals to 100 into hundreds digit value is 8, and 10 into tens digit is 2, plus units digit is 6. So 100 plus 20 plus 6, sorry, 800 plus 20 plus 6, so 826. So 826 is the required number. So this is the way we can solve the problems from the conditions. We need to generalize the number first, then we need to solve according to this. Okay, next I'll explain you the divisibility rules. All the divisibility rules which is useful for class 8 syllabus I'll explain. Divisibility tests. So we'll see one by one all the divisibility rules. First, divisibility by 2. So without doing actual division, by seeing the number or by doing some little calculations on the number, we need to find out whether number is divisible by particular number or not. There is nothing but actually divisibility rules. Now what is the divisibility rule for 2? So what type of numbers we can do division, means which is numbers are divisible by 2 exactly. So for every divisibility there is a rule is there. Now for this rule is a given number is divisible by 2. A given number is divisible by 2 only when its units digit, when its units digits, only when its units digits is even. So when the units place value, if it is even number, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, that even numbers, even digits, that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even digits. So any one of them in units place, if it is even digit, then that number is divisible by 2. Okay, let me give an example, few examples. 472, 84, 116. So these are all the numbers are divisible by 2 because in the place of units digit, now here 2. 2 is the even digit. 4, 6. So any among them in this units digits, any even digit is there, then that number is divisible by 2. This is rule for 2. Divisibility by 3 now. So what number is exactly divisible by 3? A given number is divisible by 3. A given number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits, only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So in condition it's very clear. So if any number is given, in that sum of its digits, so all the digits we need to add first. So the sum, if it is divisible by 3, then that given number also is divisible by 3. So take an example. So for example 192. We need to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So according to the condition, we need to add the digits 1 plus 9 plus 2. So that is 12. So sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Now this 12 is divisible by 3 because in 3 table 12 is there. So 192 also is divisible by 3. So otherwise one more 891. Now 8 plus 9 plus 1, that's 18. Again you can add these numbers also, 1 plus 8 again 9. So finally the single digit also we can come to know to test whether divisible by 3 or not. So main thing is we need to add the digits. The result is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So one more example, 657. So you add the digits, 6 plus 5 plus 7, that is 11 plus 7 is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So 657 is also divisible by 3. Now 1048. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, you check 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8. Now 1 plus 0 is 0 or 1, plus 4 is 5, and it is 13. So but 13 is not divisible by 3. So it's not divisible by 3. So 1048 is also not divisible by 3. So this is the rule for 3. Divisibility by 5. So divisibility rule for 5. So generally any number, a given number is divisible by 5 only when its units digit is 0 or 5. So whenever the numbers, a given number is divisible by 5, it divisible by 5 only when its units digits is 0 or 5. So if any one of them is there in units place, that number is divisible by 5. Any example I am taking, for example 1105. So 5 is in units place, 1260. So 0 is in units place. So these are all divisible by 5. If I take 1254, now 4 is placed. So this is not divisible by 5. Only units digit is either 0 or 5. Divisibility by 9, I'll tell you. Divisibility by 9. Now which number is divisible by 9? So for 9, same rule as it is like 3 only. A given number is divisible by 9 only when sum of the digits, sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So when you add the numbers, if it is divisible by 9, then that number is also divisible by 9. So same like rule for 3. So for example 1899. Now add the digits, 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. So this 1899 also is divisible by 9. 1339. Okay, test with one more number. 1339. Now if you add these digits, 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 9. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. But 16 is not divisible by 9. So 39 and 39 also is not divisible by 9. We need to add the digits from the number, then that sum, if it is divisible by 9, then that the given number is also divisible by 9. So one important note is the numbers which are divisible by 9 is always divisible by 3. So whatever numbers are divisible by 9, they will be divisible by 3 also. But whichever the numbers are divisible by 3, they need not divisible by 9. Sometimes maybe, but need not. May not be divisible by 9. For example, I am taking 345. Example, if you take 345, now 345 if you add 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now this is divisible by 3, but is not divisible by 9. But which the numbers are divisible by 9, everything will be divisible by 3 also, because 3 is a multiple of 9. Divisibility by 10. See the rule for 10. So it's very simple. Only we need to check the units place. For rule for 10 is a given number is divisible by 10 only when its units digit is 0. So it divisible by 10 only when its units digit is 0. So only when its digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. So for 5 is 0 or 5, but 10 is only 0. Okay, any number units place must be 0. 3200, 3210. 10 0 is in its place. Okay, 189630. So some number 1,89,630. So 0 is in units place. So that number is divisible by 10. Some other rules also see divisibility by 4. So rule for 4 here. A given number is divisible by 4. A given number is divisible by 4 only when the number formed by its last two digits. Last two digits is units place and tens place. Is divisible by 4. So units and tens place together, if it is divisible by 4, then that number is also divisible by 4. Okay, last two digits from right side. So 1072. So here last two digits is 72. So which is divisible by 4, because 72 is divisible by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 32. So it's a 32. Remainder is 0. So it's divisible by 4. That means this 1072. 1072 also is a divisible by 4. okay, which is not divisible by 4. I'll give an example. For example, 35,686. So last is 86. Now this is not divisible by 4. So this whole number also is not divisible by 4. Divisibility by 8. So now rule for 8. So rule for 8 is similar like 4 only. Actually, rule for 4 we have seen last 2 digits, right? Now for this we just need to check last 3 digits. So we can write like this: a given number divisible by 8 only when number formed by its last, so 3 digits. So 3 digits means ones, tens, hundreds place value, place digits is divisible by 8. So last 3 numbers we need to verify for this one. So last 3 digits. So let me give an example here. For example, 80,312. 312. So your last 3 digits is 312. Now the 312, if it is divisible by 8, then that 80,312 also is divisible by 8. Yes. So it is divisible. So 80,312 also is divisible by 8. We need to check the last 3 digits. The last 3 digits are not divisible by 8, then that number is also not divisible by 8. So for example, for that 95,218. So 218 is not divisible by 8. If you do 8 table division, you will not get remainder 0. So this 95,218 also is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by, okay, one more, last one. Divisibility by 11 you will see now. Divisibility by 11. So what numbers are divisible by 11? Now I will write here the rule. A number is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digits, if the difference between the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. That means a multiple of 11. Number divisible by 11. So I'll give clarity for this. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference, so a difference between sum of its digits at odd places and sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or the number is divisible by 11. That means any multiple of 11. So I'll explain you clearly the example. So for example, okay, 8, 6, 3, 4, 7, 8. Now this is the number. Now this is 8,63,478. Now in this even place digits and odd place digits, 8, 3, 7 are the odd place digits, right? And 6, 4, 8 are the even place digits. So 6 plus 4 plus 8, and odd places are 8 plus 3 plus 7. Now their difference between some of its odd places and some of its even places. Now if you do 8 plus, this is 18. Now if you do this addition, there is also 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Now either 0 or number is divisible by 11 also. Now this number is divisible by 11. One more example let me take. 4832 4832718. Now this is 48,32,718. Now sum of its even places and odd places, 4, 3, 7, 8, and other places 8, 2, 7, alternate places. So even digits and odd digits. That is 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8. These are the odds places, and 8 plus 2 plus 1. They are the even places digits. So now if you add 7, 14, and 14 plus 8, so 22. Now this is 10, 11. So 22 minus 11 is 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So that 48 lakhs 32,708 also is divisible by 11. Now this is the way we need to test for rule 11. Now next we will see some numeral puzzles which are related to the number. So it's playing with numbers. Next I'll explain you numerical puzzles. Some puzzles I'll tell you now. So in numeral puzzles, directly I'll come to the problems. How the questions will come from numeral puzzles and how to solve them. So I'll explain you with a few questions. So example 1, for example. So first method is replace some letters A, B, C, D by suitable numerals in the following sum. Now observe the question. 3, C, B, 7. So this is a 4-digit number. So in the place of C and B, we need to find out the numbers. Plus D, 4, 9, and A. So finally A, B, C, D. There are 4 letters. So 4 numbers we need to find out. This result also they will give the question. 9, 2, 8, 1. So answer is 9,281. So which two numbers if I add, I'll get 9,281, and condition should be followed. Now in the place of CB, in the place of AD, what numbers, so what numeral will come, we need to say. Now when you are going to solve this, so it show clearly, first we have to do addition from left to right. That means here is a 7a. So 7 plus dash is 1, but 7 is more than 1 is, so 7 is more than 1, right? So we need to carrying some numbers extra. So this 1 should be here, means this may be 11, 21, 31, like that we need to add. But here is a single digit. So you can write clearly, that is 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, and 7 plus 14 is 21, but a place should be only single digit, so this is not, so you should take 4, so 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, so 1 is carried over, the 1 should be carried, that means 7 plus 4, if this is the place 4, 7 plus 4 is 11, now 1 is carried here. Now 1 plus b plus 9 is equals to 8. Now if you observe here, this is 8 is less than this 9, so we need to carry over one more. So we can write 1 plus 9 plus 8 is 18, and 1 we can carry, so b is equals to 8, because units place should be 1. Now 1 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 18. Now this 8 is given, now this 8 should be placed. Now in the place of b, there should be 8. So 1 plus 8 plus 9. Now 1 is carried over here. Now again if you verify, 1 plus some number plus 4. 1 plus c plus 4 is equals to 2. So but again single digit. So that is 1 plus dash plus 4 is equals to units place is 2. Now this is 4 is more than 2. So we can write 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. So c is equals to 12. Now the c place is 12. 7. The sum is 12. Now 1 is carried over here. Then 1 plus 3 plus d is equal to 9. So d compulsory should be 5. Because 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. So in the place of d, it should be 5. Only just by carrying over, we need to guess the number. So now a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 8. So c is equals to c equal to 7 and d is equal to 5. So you can verify also again by taking the digits in the place of letters, and we can verify. This is the addition process. I'll write one more question which is related to the subtraction also. Now find the value of ABC in the following: 4 6a minus cb 9. Now this is subtraction, so answer is given 275. Fine. Since dash minus 9 is equals to 5, so actually 14 minus 9, first condition is 14 minus 9 is equal to 5, but in the place of a, so 1 is taken away from 6 on the left when you take the carry, so a must be equal to 4. If it is 4, then 1 we need to carry from the previous, so this is supposed to be 5. So 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Now this is the 5 is fixed. Now dash minus b is equal to 7, but you know 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 for second case. Now again 1 we need to carry, so previous also should be 3. Now this 1 we carry here, so b is equals to, till now we can take b is equal to 8. Now this is the b place, this is the a place, this is a and this is the b. Now 3 minus dash is equal to 2, so that we know 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, so 1 is the c. Right, so a is equals to 4 and b is equal to 8 and c is equals to 1. So this is the way we can need to carry the number over, and we need to find one question and give it to the multiplication. Find the value of a and b in the following, that is b a into 3 is equals to c 7 4. So C is the single digit. Dash into 3 is equal to dash C74. So 3 into dash is equals to 4. Okay, 3 into single digit. Just you need to carry over. 3 into 8 is equals to 24. So this 8 is a chance for A. Now 24. So 2 we can carry over. So A is equals to 8. So A is equal to 8 and we'll carry over 2. And next 3 into B plus 2 because 2 is carry over. Now 3 into B plus 2 is equals to C7. So 3 into B is equal to C7 minus 2 if you take this side. Then if you check 3 5 is a 15. Because we need to adding 2 is extra carrying. So that means A is equals to 8 and B is equal to 5 because 3 5 is a 15 and the extra plus 2 are carry, that is 17. So C is equals to 1. This is the way we can do this even or multiplication. Now some questions without any single letter also we'll find out for multiplications. So I'll give you one question here. Find the value of A, B, C when AB into BA gives BCB. So A into B is equals to B. First one, this into this will get B. That implies A must be 1 because A should be 1 because A into B is equal to B by getting. A into B is equals to B means compulsory A should be 1. So in the place of, so we have A is fixed. Fine. So we can write if A is equal to 1, thus we have, now already AB value got, now just to clearly write 1B, B into 1. Now these both if you multiply, generally you can multiply direct normal multiplication if you do. 1 into B is B, 1 and B into B is B square, B1 is a B. Now if you do this, B and next middle digit is 1 plus B square and units place is B. So middle digit is, that means 1 plus B square is a 1 digit number. 1 plus B square is only 1 digit and B is not equal to A. Okay, that is equal to 1. So apart from 1, then B is equals to 2. Now C is equals to 1 plus B square. So 1 plus 2 square is equal to 1 plus 4. Then that is equals to 5. So finally I can write like this. A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 5. So we can do little checking also. AB, BA. That means 12 into 21. That is BCB. 252. So you can do normal multiplication also, you'll get this. Fine. Now up to here's multiplication. I'll give you one last question related to the division. based on division also we can solve. Example, find the value of ABC. Then 4AB is divided by 9. Now quotient is 4 in 4C. Here remainder is 36, and subtraction. Full division they will give, and we need to find the digits which is related to the question. Now this is a given question. Here first, if A is equal to 1, here A minus 6. Okay, 4AB 36. 9 4s are 36. Directly 9 4s are 36 is given. Now A minus 6 should be 5 because normal subtraction. Right? A minus 6 is equal to 5 means A should be 1. Up to here, A minus 6 is equal to 5. Now A is equal to 1. So you can take carry over also. So you can take carry. Next, away from 4 on the left, 9 into 6 is equal to 54. That implies C is equal to 6 and B is equal to 4. So first I calculated, this is 41 minus 36. So completely, because 4 3, because 4 4s are 16, 9 4s are 36. So 41 minus 36 is 5. That's what A is equal to 1. Now 1 is over, and 1 is taken away from 4 on the left. Next we can take C is equals to 6 and B is equal to 4, because we are taking 9 into dash is 54, last one. 9 into C is equal to 54, because last one it is. That means 9 6 is 54. So compulsory C should be equal to 6. So C is equal to 6. Then B is equal to 4, because this minus this, 5B minus 54 is equal to 0. So B should be 4 only, because B minus 4 is equal to 0. So B is equal to 4 because of this multiplication, and we can guess C and B well. Right? Just normal divisions only I am carrying over here. So okay, this is the division process we are taking. So I hope you understood very clearly. In case if any clarifications, you can see this website. You can available some more questions and some other videos which are related to the same topic, and subscribe the channel for more videos. At the same time, any informations or any other videos which are related to the some more topics which is not mentioned here, just please mention in the comments box. I'll respond for that. So hope you understood well, and thank you for watching this.